I am Graphites. Today I am playing the role of medicine Graphites. My common name is black lead. Constitution. What pulsatilla is at puberty, Graphites is at the climacteric. Mental generals. Excessive cautious, timid, hesitates, unable to decide about anything, like pulsatilla. Sad, despondent, music makes her weep, thinks of nothing but death. Music is intolerable. Also in Natramkar Sabina. Fidgety while sitting at work, like zinkum. Sensation of cobwebs on forehead, tries hard to brush it off, like Vitacarb, borax, bromium. Hears better when in noise, when riding in carriage or car when there is a rumbling sound, like nitric acid. Chronic constipation, stool difficult, large, hard, knotty, with lumps united by mucus threads, too large. Smarting, sore pain in anus after stool.
Female reproductive system, menses too scanty, pale, late with violent colic, irregular, delayed from getting feet wet. Morning sickness during menstruation, very weak and prostrated, like alumina, carboanimalis, cocculus. Leucorrhea acrid, excoriating, occurs in gushes, day and night, before and after menses. In sepia, it is before, and in kerosode, it is after. Extremities. The nails are brittle, crumbling, deformed, painful, sore, as if ulcerated, thick and crippled. Cracks or fissures in the ends of nails. Nipples, labial commissures of anus between the toes. Unhealthy skin. Every injury suppurates. All cicatrices break open again. Eruptions upon the ears, between fingers and toes, and on various parts of body from which oozes a watery, transparent, sticky fluid. Complementary to causticum, Heper, and Lyco. Graphites follows well after Lyco, pulse after calcarean obesity of young women with large amount of unhealthy adipose tissue. Follows sulfur well in skin affections after sepia in gushing leucorrhea.